The Sony Bravia 8 and the LG B5 are mid-range OLED TV that offer impressive picture quality and a suite of modern features. This TV detailed comparison to help you decide which one might be a better fit of your needs. Display type OLED. Panel type WOLED. Skin size 55, 65, 77 inch USA, Europe and 65, 77, 83, 97 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Brightness 800 nits and 4000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 68 ppi and 67 ppi. Color bit 10 bit. Response time 4.6 millisecond and 0.1 millisecond. Contrast ratio 6000:1. Video processor XR processor and Alpha 11 Gen 2. HDMI variable refresh rate yes. Consumer electronic control yes. Auto low latency mode yes. Filmmaker mode automatic. High gig yes. HDR formats HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision and HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision IQ. HDMI ports 4 2 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 2 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX. Bluetooth 5.2 and 5.3. TV platform Google TV and WebOS. Version at operating system 12 and 25. Operating system update yes. Chromecast yes. HomeKit yes. AirPlay 2 yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Speakers 50 watt 2.1 acoustic surface audio plus and 60 watt 4.2.2 channel speakers built-in. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC3 AC4 yes. Detach audio yes. Detach HD yes. Dimensions 1442 into 829 into 37 mm and 1450 into 830 into 47 mm. Weight 23.2 kg and 32.6 kg. Wall mount 300 into 300 mm and 300 into 200 mm. Special features PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhanced and brightness booster ultimate 65 to 83 inch, game optimizer dashboard, all on design, wireless zero connect. Tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2C Europe and attached 1.0 USA, DVB T2 S2C Europe.